That's what's affecting the JFF here. Their previous blunders has caused a lot of mistrust, and it's affecting them. But I still think us as fans has and people who are critical thinkers, we have a responsibility to basically sift through the noise and basically know when the JFF is doing something right and give them credit. You can't want somebody to change and do better and you never give them any credit or motivate them. But a lot of people would say the JFF don't need no motivation. They're supposed to do the right thing. Guys, an organization, if you look at it in context of it just being a word, it's a word. Within that organization, it's actual people who has different personalities, different goals.